Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, how is it going? So, today I'm gonna tell you the last story in this semester. Yeah. So, the name of the story is about one man in a boat. Okay, I will tell the story. Fishing is my favorite sport. I often fish for hours without catching anything, but but this does not worry me. Some fishermen are are unlucky. Instead of catching fish, they catch old boots and rubbish. Even less lucky. I never catch anything, not even old boots. Uh, after having after having whole after after having spent whole mornings on um, the river, uh, I always uh, uh, I always I always go home with an empty bag. Uh, you must give up fishing, my friends say. Uh, it's a waste of time, but they don't realize one important thing. Uh, I'm I am not really interested in fishing. I am only interested in sitting in a boat and doing nothing at all. Okay, maybe that's all for me. And let's I said Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.